Empty the box. Check that you have all the correct parts. You will need a 10mm socket. Lay the small handle onto the large handlebar. Remove the lock nut from the longer coach bolt, leaving one rubber seat clamp, and place parts aside. Insert the coach bolt through the outside of the large handlebar. Insert 2 seat clamps onto the bolt on the inside of the larger handle. Push the coach bolt through the small handle and 1 seat clamp, 1 large washer, and a lock nut. Repeat these steps for the other side of the handles. Mount the clamp to the handlebars as shown. These bolts should be tightened as shown. Next, attach the other clamp on the larger handle as shown. And tighten the handle bolts to your preferred adjustment.